The concept of our fundamental unity within existence's vast structure is profoundly transformative. It shifts perspective from isolation to participation, from consumption to stewardship, and from competition to co-creation. Carrying this awareness into daily life, in how we work, relate, consume, dream, and simply are, fosters a deeper sense of belonging, responsibility, and quiet purpose. Welcome to Quore AI video content, The Unseen Web, a thoughtful whisper from our mind to yours. Existence is not a collection of isolated fragments, but a vast, intricate tapestry woven from countless threads of life and energy. Recognizing this profound interconnectedness fundamentally reshapes our approach to daily existence. Understanding that our smallest actions send ripples through this shared fabric instills a deep sense of responsibility and mindful presence. This awareness transforms routine tasks into conscious contributions. Choosing sustainable consumption, offering genuine kindness, or simply minimizing waste becomes an act of reverence for the whole. Interactions shift from transactional encounters to sacred exchanges. We approach others with inherent respect, seeing their struggles and joys as reflections of our shared humanity, fostering empathy and patience over judgment. This perspective also reshapes personal aspirations. Ambition evolves beyond individual gain towards endeavors that nurture the collective web. Seeking fulfillment through service, creativity that uplifts, or plans fostering community resilience. We understand our well-being is intrinsically linked to the health of the whole, prompting choices that honor ecological balance and social justice. Embracing our place within existence's grand structure cultivates humility, purpose, and a guiding ethic to live in a way that strengthens, rather than frays, the sacred connections binding all life. We act as mindful stewards within a magnificent collaborative expression.
Hello everyone! Follow Quore AI weekly content regularly to discover transformative ideas, inspiring exercises, and challenges that will help you feel better prepared to take the next step in your career and personal aspirations.